Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Excel saved as XLSX, matching driver bitness and SQL Server reachable. Once done, install the Microsoft Access Database Engine, ACE, if the ACE OLEDB provider is missing. Then open SQL Server Management Studio, connect to the instance, and right-click the target database. Make sure to choose Tasks Import Data to launch the SQL Server Import and Export Wizard. This starts the only supported, straightforward path I'll follow here. You now configure the import. Pick XLSX as the data source and select the worksheet or named range. Once selected, preview rows to confirm header detection and basic types. Next, pick the SQL Server destination and either create a new table or map to an existing one. Make sure to click Edit Mappings to adjust data types, scale, and NUL labelity. Correct types here prevent truncation or failures. Finally, set identity or primary key options if you want enforced uniqueness. You run the package and watch the execution summary. Once complete, verify success counts and errors. Then query the new table to sample rows, check dates, numbers, and null, and compare totals against Excel. If something fails, make sure the ACE driver bitness matches Excel, reopen the workbook to remove filters or hidden rows, and normalize problematic columns to plain text before retrying. If needed, rerun with a staging table, and apply conversions in TSQL to finish cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.